Omega, Omega.
Hello guys, this is Jawad once again. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to talk to you regarding this error, which is for Outlook, Microsoft Outlook. Like sometimes when you open it, your profile is not able to be loaded, or you have like a connection with your Exchange server or stuff like that. Okay, basically most of the time this problem is occurring once your profile is corrupted or is not like in a good condition. There's a very easy condition like solution for that. First, before you open your Outlook, you just go to your control panel, okay, and you click on Mail and Microsoft, okay, and then you click like you need to, if there is any profile, you need to delete it, okay. Click select on it and then remove it, okay, and then apply and then add. All right, and then you put a new name for that. I'll put it as a, all right, so let's take this hypothetical email address. Okay, finished. Okay, and now I will open my Outlook. All right. Okay, as you can see, it's working. Okay, as you saw, there was like another pop-up window here. It will ask me once I open it, it will ask me for my profile. If you want to if that doesn't pop up and ask you, you can set this as a default profile and then click OK. It's not gonna ask you anymore again. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you like it. If you like it, please go ahead and click on like and subscribe to channels for futures video. Thank you very much and have a fantastic time. See you. Bye bye.
Omega, Omega.